How to enable New Siri in iOS 18. Let's get started. With iOS 18, Apple has made some exciting updates to Siri, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the brand new Siri features on your iPhone and explain what's new. First things first, let's enable the new Siri features. Head towards your settings, scroll down, navigate to the option of Siri. Now, click on the option Talk to Siri. Check in for the option Hey Siri or Hey Siri. Now click on Enable Siri. Set up Siri and Hey Siri. This helps Siri recognize your voice when you say Siri or Hey Siri. Clicking on Continue, you'll be prompted to spell out few sentences. You have to complete that process. Once you complete that process, your Siri will be ready. Now you can click on Done. You can enable for this option as well. Press side button for Siri. Likewise, enable for the option Allow Siri to be unlocked. On the option of voice, you are able to select the variety and voice for your Siri. Now that you have enabled the new Siri, you can start using some of the fresh features. For example, you can say, Hey Siri, send a voice message, and Siri will let you record and send a voice note directly from your commands. Or you can say, Hey Siri, share this while viewing a photo or web page, and Siri will share it instantly. Super useful. That's it. Now you have got the new Siri up and running on iOS 18. With these updates, Siri is faster, smarter, and more private than ever. Let me know in the comments what you think of the new Siri features, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.